Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and today I am back with another unboxing. Happy Valentine's Day to me. Ooh, as you can see from my nails, it is going to be Valentine's Day soon. So I completed this set. So let me just talk about this really fast before I get into the unboxing, because it's been a long time since my nails were done during an unboxing. So I did these nails myself using the SXC Cosmetics Polygel Kit, the Pink and Bling series. I think right now it's about $30 or $40 on their website, but use my code TheLuxeAngel to get 10% off. Oh, me acting like I got a gift out here for doing nails, and honey, I am just a member of the YouTube University. I'm a student, okay? All right, so let's get into this unboxing though. Ooh, baby. All right, so this is, what is this, the third luxury unboxing of 2021, the flip. I mean, it's just February, guys. But this is a Valentine's Day gift, and of course it's from Louis Vuitton. And I guess because Valentine's Day is like right around the corner, they're like putting bows on everything, because I know I did not like request that, but that's so sweet. Because normally they're not putting bows on stuff, guys. Like you've seen, this is what I've done. I think this is my fourth Louis Vuitton unboxing, and they don't normally have bows. So this is really cute, guys. Oh, and here's the little card. So I'm gonna have to stop this and take a picture, so whatever. Okay, so moving right along. Oh, thank God, like this is so nice. Like the first ones, I was like, they just threw it in a dust bag and went. So let's see, what is this and what does it say? Oh, cute little envelope. There's nothing on this. Was I supposed to put something on this? Like, what is this? Louis, like, damn you, Louis. Like, why y'all be playing people? He said nope. All right, so is it in this? Because I know I put a gift message with this one. Yes, it's my Valentine's Day gift, but I like bought it myself. Oh yeah, here we go. It says, what does it say? Ooh, I told you it's rolling in, baby. You ain't never gonna be alone. We love you, spirit. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Yes, we be living La Vida Loa up around her. And when, what does spiritual Sag say? She'd be like, there is reward in being obedient. Girl, I've been obedient. I've been obedient, girl. And spirit is like, yes, girl. Yes, we about to have it up. So this has nothing on it. I think I had the option to put something on this because I didn't realize this was going to happen. But, okay, whatever. That's a nice touch that I completely butchered and messed up. What's in this thing? And I guess this is all just a, you know, thank you for shopping at Louis. Here's a return slip if you need it. La da 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 da. Scooby-doo-doo. All right, so let's just get into this. Now that we know that there's nothing in that, we're gonna zoom in a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna zoom out a little bit, like zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so let's just open this thing up. Oh baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's undress you. Oh yeah, yeah. What could it be? Do 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 do. If you don't like singing, this is not the channel for you. Louis ribbons. Okay. Finally, though, like, seriously, like, I don't need a whole bunch of extra packaging, but make it look pretty. Like, give me a fucking ribbon. Like Louis, like, seriously, and it shouldn't have to take a flippin' holiday to put a ribbon on a box, because, like, your online customers deserve all the prettiness that your in-store customers do, especially at this time. So don't wait for a flippin' holiday to put a flippin' bow on a box, Louis. Like, I don't care about no extra paper, but you can put a bow. Okay? Okay. All right, so here we go now that I'm done venting. Ooh, and this is strange. I was not expecting it to come like this. This is interesting. It came just like the other items from this collection. This is strange. Okay, that's all right though. We're gonna zoom out just a little bit. Okay. That's how it comes. I'm shocked. Like, I expected it to come like my pearls came, like in a box, a necklace box. Yes, it's a necklace, so I guess I gave it away, but like, that's how it comes. Like, Louis, what if this thing got flipping, like, all kinds of, like, tangled, Louis? I hate when a chain gets tangled, so Louis, you better hope my flipping chain gets tangled. You're right, okay. Okay, so let's see at the fine details. What does this say here? Da-dum-dum-da. Well, before I look at the fine details, yes, guys, I completed a collection, all right? I completed a set. This is the Louis Vuitton Essential V necklace. You guys know I previously unboxed the Essential V hoops, then the Essential V studs, and now I have the Essential V necklace. I am so excited about this. V for Valentine's Day. Who knew? Like, oh my gosh, it's Louis, baby. Oh, yeah. All right. And so let's just like examine this thing just a little bit. Like, okay. So this Louis Vuitton Essential V necklace also has the engraving of the LV logo. It's very hard to see like on camera, but right down there. So it's just like the studs and the hoops. And then let's see, on the studs and the hoops right here is where it says made in Italy, like on the V right here. On the studs and the hoops on the V right here, it says made in Italy, but not here. I think that's gonna be here on this plate. So let me turn this around. I don't know if I can read this through the monitor. Okay. Can you read it through the monitor? Louis Vuitton. Does it say Paris, made in Italy? Yep, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. So that's what that says. Very nice. But you know what I actually like? I like this little thing here. Like the end of the tassel is this little LV. Like, I like that. Yeah, I like that at the end. Now, this is gonna be interesting. I usually don't get like necklaces and bracelets because like I like stuff that I can put on and take off by myself, and I just find like stuff like this to be a little bit annoying. But I had to complete this set, y'all. So I can't wait to style it and show it all for you together. So this is cute, yo. I am just shocked. Like, Louis always shocks me with like how they package things. Like, I'm always just like shocked. Like, what the flip, Louis? Like, what happened to like the necklace? Like, you know how there's a necklace box like that's a square, and then like, you know, you present it like the flip. Louis be like, nah, bitch, you ain't getting shit. You ain't getting shit. That's what Louis said. Like, fuck your box. Anyway, this is the complete set. Now, well, I'm lying. There is a ring, guys. There's a ring, so I can't say I'm not gonna get the matching ring, but I'm happy to have the matching set, guys. Now, these are just the gold Essential V. There's all kinds. There's a silver version, there's a pearl version, there's a gemstone version. So you don't have to get what I have here, guys. But this is just what I wanted something that I usually wear gold. So I wanted gold, and I wanted something that went with everything, and I think I made the right choice. So that is all for this unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, okay, guys, so here's the necklace. My only critique is that I wish that the chain went through the V instead of it hanging like this. But it is beautiful, and I am pleased. It looks gorgeous all together. This is the set all together. We have the LV Essential V hoops, the Essential V studs, and the Essential V necklace, all in gold. And I have to say, I'm very happy that I got this all together. Like, I'm just so happy. Oh my gosh. I have to say, I'll probably wear just 2 of these at a time. Like, maybe the necklace with only 1 pair of the earrings, or like maybe just the 2 earrings together and not the necklace. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it would be too much altogether, or is it nice altogether? Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy that I got this. Like, yay! Anyway, tell me what you guys think. Like, do you like it with the studs and the necklace, or with the hoops and the necklace better? Which one do you prefer? Or just all 3? I went with this set because I love the fact that you don't necessarily know it's Louis Vuitton. It's just a V, and it could just be a triangle. Like, you can flip this, and it could just be like a triangle or an A. You never know, you know? It could be an arrow. So it's not just screaming Louis Vuitton, but it just gives you such luxury. I just love it. Anyway, but I just think this set is so cute. It's very casual, but you can dress it up and make it elegant. Like, oh my gosh, like wearing this with a little black dress. Oh my gosh, yes baby, yes. What do you think, guys? Like, this is so perfect for a capsule wardrobe because it's just kind of minimal, because you don't really know what it is. Like, my name could be Vanessa. Nobody really knows what the fuck, you know. Okay, guys. So what is your favorite piece? Do you like the hoops, the studs, or the necklace more? Okay. What do you like better? Anyway, so thank you, hubby, and happy Valentine's Day to me, and happy birthday to me, and just happy everything for me. So, until next time, guys, have a gorgeous day. Bye.